Hello everyone, today we are gonna know how to add the splash screen to Android Studio Android app. So let's get started without wasting time. Welcome back, this is Rehan and let's get started. First of all, copy it and paste it here. Click this one and select give name splash screen. Now this is selected. Now come here, create a new activity, empty activity. Give name to this as splash screen. New activities has been created. Now let's come to the layout of this. Click here. Click on splash screen .xml. Splash screen. Click on this background. And click splash screen. Now this screen has been added here. Now let's give a backend to this. Just already copied the code, so don't waste time. So let's copy this and paste it here. And this one here. Enter otherwise. And now here select activity splash screen this and main activity class. Splash screen. Now the code has been created. Now we have given here just 1 second for splash screen and how much it would take time. Then here we have finished the splash screen. It means that first it is done, so there will be no another one again when we are destroying the activity. This was all about how to add a splash screen to this Android app. So if you like this video and if you have any question regarding this or any other topic of Android Studio, so you can ask me in comment and I would love to answer you.